What's going
I
on,
like doing
guys?
that,
We got a free midweek review. uh, May 8th, 2024. I'm gonna let Uzi take the stage here.
What up, boys? Welcome, free members, everyone who's new. You guys can come up. You guys can review your traits. We're gonna correct it if we can. All right, we're gonna answer you guys' questions, and it's basically every single Wednesday we do this. So yeah, let's start off the stage. Let's get the boy. Oh, Javin requested now. Javin, you wanna come up? Pretty sure he requested. I need to see. I need to see one single guy, mythical. You wanna come up? You wanna come up, Cluxy? Yeah, you can request on the, I think bottom left. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna get the wild card, and then I'm gonna get you up, Cluxy. All right.
What's up?
What up, man? How you doing?
Better? Doing much better. How are you guys?
Yeah, I'm good, man. What did you take?
Right, yep. So coming today, I think like most people, was bearish.
Mhm.
So I was expecting 9 o'clock to
Can you live
retrace.
stream on it?
Yeah.
Can you live on it? All right. Yeah.
You want me to keep going or just wait?
I got you.
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
All right, yeah. So I was expecting 9 a.m. to retrace and then 9:30 dump because I thought we put the high of day. And then
Yeah, same. London, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
And then we just said if like we put higher day, like 9 a.m. will retrace, not reverse.
Yeah.
So I think I was still married to that bias.
Mm-hmm.
And like you said, Ani, I took that same loss. We swept that internal high,
Yeah, right here. Yeah.
15-minute ICR, yeah.
Yeah.
And then I just entered in a open high candle on the 5-minute, and then just got stopped out eventually.
Into what? This one? Took the same
Yeah,
short?
basically, yeah.
Yeah, no, I'd say this is a valid loss. We're gonna find out why this didn't work. Because I know
Okay.
there's always an answer to something, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we were in some distribution candle. What do you think, Uzi? 6 hour or
All
what?
right. All right. First of all, what I want you guys to notice, all right, is go to the daily. All right. Measure the Monday range.
This whole Monday range? Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Let me delete
Yeah,
some.
just move up. Yeah, remove everything. Remove everything. Gonna start out.
I like that.
All right. What I want you guys to notice is how we range. All right, and then from range low, now zoom into the hourlies only. All right, so I want you guys to notice Asia range. All right, and then London Raleigh into what? Into our key level, which is the order block on the left, hourly order block, and then the EQ of the range. And this is why you always take partials at EQ of that specific range. Now mark out the order block on the left only. Now at the bottom left, very bottom when we reversed. Yeah, that one. Yeah. I want you guys first to notice at what time did we form that auto block. All right. At what time do we form that auto block and why it's important? And below what? Below EQ of the daily range. All right. And the speed we go into the EQ of the range with no pullbacks. All right. And that single black candle means a lot. That should tell you a lot. All right. Mark out the lows. Mark out the lows. Like the I think Monday or Tuesday lows.
Tuesday?
Not that one. Yeah, that one. Yeah. I want you guys to notice the speed we dig into it, and then the first candle close below it into the EQ, and then right after that, fully reverse. All right, from range low, from original consolidation low to original consolidation, from 75% to 75%. How about that? All right, I want you guys to notice the speed of that. All right, and then use the same logic if 9 a.m. was if we had 8 a.m. drop and the 9 a.m. manipulation 9:30 distribution, all right, 10 opened into the auto block that digged into 50% and then rallied to range high. All right, this is why 10 was also distribution, a clean tap, one single tap, a V pattern into the straight to range high. Not a single pullback. Now my 9 a.m. model, I'm being honest, I did not expect this whole explosion move up. Take a look at the 90-minute on it real quick. Nah. I did not expect this whole fucking explosion move up. But yeah, I was expecting some sort of retracement at least to 75%. But you know the 10 a.m. was also a distribution candle just because of this whole framework. All right. And it could be it could be it is 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12. So now once you take a trade at 10 a.m., all right, you're basically taking the open low. You can even long it right there, right? Just because of how bullish we were. A wild card. I still think it's a valid try because it's hindsight. And at the time, I know what you look for, but yeah, this is the framework behind it.
Was this like more of
And
an advanced thing?
yeah. And then look at mark at the high that took out the low, Ani.
This one.
No. Oh, we have a small one. Small one. Yeah. All right. Now go to the 5 minute or whatever. All right. So right when we start to close above it, you should be worried. This is the first thing. All right. And then while breaking outside of that high, all right, we're forming PD arrays again and again. All right. Immediate rebalance. And then we leave a FVG, and then we leave a big FVG. All right, and then a small pullback, and then another expansion leg. Now, in this framework, how you can catch along? It's if you don't catch 9:30, I don't think there is entries at 10 because you will expect expansion, retracement, OTE, another expansion, right? In a solid good day. But in here we had expansion, and then a small pullback, and then another expansion leg. True total soups will not let you participate. This is the type of soups that will not let you go in. Just an immediate push up. This is what I want you to notice.
Yeah.
Once the low hanging fruit is taken, it's very less probable. If you just build the model based on high that took the low that took the high, you can be very successful with that.
Yes, nuts. That is the fake turtle soup, right? So it'll become an order block in the future, right? Make everyone go short. Think the top's in. Reverse it back on them, right? Finish off the price leg. This high just gave us a small reaction. That's really it.
How would you like how would I learn from this, like that mistake, like taking that loss?
What would you say, Uzi?
Just understanding the framework behind this, and then journal what happened today, especially after that big bump. It should tell you something. Leaving all these PD arrays open, it should tell you something.
Yeah.
Right? And probably not go against it until it's actually time.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, don't try to top ticket and then wait for a range. Because all right. What would you take from it? At least next time, let a range form.
Okay.
All right. So even say if it retraces, do you want to catch retracements or reversals?
Reversals.
The bigger. What did I tell you guys yesterday? The bigger the range, the better the soup, the bigger the move. In here, we barely had a range. So what you should take from this is low hanging fruit was taken. All right, we're probably gonna switch bullish. At least let a range form, and then try some sort of short. Right here, we just had a open rally, the open decline. All right, and then another expansion. Not even a range forming. Big reversals or continuations comes after the range forms. All right.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, everyone trying to short this. Yeah, that makes complete sense. Why trying to short this, we can expect it to not just bounce one time and then do this right.
Yeah.
It makes way more sense if we tap the key level once, then we come down, maybe a little fake turtle soup, then we can tap it again, maybe this breaker, right? Then we can have something like this, right? But what I should have done is not enter on the first touch, right, of a key level wild card, right?
Yeah.
And see if we can have a second touch, right? And then watch how the 1 minute will react at the key level, right? Um, we can watch what happens, right? Even if you do take the second loss, you should always at least wait for a candle to close at a key level and see what it looks like.
Okay.
All right. So let's try to cut that out. Which I'm gonna do too, is not try to enter on the first tap. Right.
Yeah.
First tap a key level, you don't need to enter on it. And yeah, that's really it right there, bro.
Okay. I also took another trade
Mhm.
in the PM session because after that pump and I took that loss, I just walked out. I just
Yeah.
stepped away. So it was at 3 o'clock. We had that 30-minute range.
Yep.
And I'm pretty sure like a lot of people took it. We opened high at 3:30, and then at 4 I entered in the distribution candle.
Oh, right here. Yeah, short.
Let me see. Yeah.
Yeah, right here. So you targeted this. You went from this to the low.
No, I had the bullish candle. Yeah, that
Yeah,
one.
this low.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a bad. I think. Can we make this into one candle or not? Nah, I don't think so. Nah, I see what you did though. Yeah. What PD
You took,
what key level did you use for this? For the
you
short?
took a short?
Oh no, you took
Yeah,
the
I
third
took it.
candle, right? Okay, I see.
Yeah. The distribution candle.
Mhm. Yeah.
And yeah, that was.
Yeah.
I didn't wait for a range low to get taken. I just took the 20 handles.
No, that's good. Where'd you enter at? Right here at 4? Yeah, it's good
Yeah,
that you didn't see the
yeah.
speed, right, of the third candle.
Yeah, but I waited for that close of that big candle.
Close of this
And
big golfing one.
yeah, and then I entered.
Yeah. No, that's not bad.
Uh,
Let me tell you.
That's the same entry
yeah,
as
no,
mine.
go ahead.
It was good.
Yeah. No, yeah, I entered there too after that big one.
Yeah.
This is something for your studies. Wildcard, go back to the 1 minute, Ani. Mark out the low, 53 or something. No. Yeah, that one, 40, yeah. And then replay to the to before we pumped one more time. Yeah, right there. Play one more or two more candles. Yeah, what does this tell you, Wildcard?
Um.
First, what's the low that we marked out? Why that low specifically?
It was the one that took the key high.
All right. Did we displace through it?
No.
What does that mean?
Would it be the turtle soup?
Yeah, that means we're probably gonna come back one more time higher,
Yeah.
and
All right.
then we're gonna come back lower. Once you enter, and then you see us don't displace through the low that took at the high, that's your sign to put your stop at break even, or chill your stop a little bit. All right. So now for your entry, it's the double tap into the order block after taking out range high, right? It was very solid. Now, why were you bullish at this point?
Bullish.
No,
No.
he took the short right here.
Bearish.
Yeah,
Yeah, why were you bearish? My bad. Why were you bearish? I'm not expecting the highs to be taken, as ES was so close to take the highs.
On NQ we closed below the range high. That's what I saw.
All right. On you can go over the how we switch to market profile if you want.
Okay, no, that was a
With
good trade though,
London,
wildcard. Good waiting for this key level to get hit.
Mhm.
This I actually took this short. but I took it a little early. Okay, so why I was bearish as well for the day was because I was simply while I was looking for shorts around here. I kept it simple, right? Like we broke through this low, right? Okay,
Yeah.
we come back up. I don't know if we're gonna continue higher until we reject the high, right? So it's showing me like uh, breaking lows right here or at this low, and then we're rejecting highs to continue lower,
Yeah.
right? Rejecting high, we rejected this high, come down, reject this high again, break a low, right? Come up, now we reject the highs again, right?
Yeah.
So this is my framework for for the short, quick, for the bearishness, the market profile I used when I was profiling, right? And then we're
Mhm.
respecting bearish PD rays, right? Respecting bearish PD rays and disrespecting bullish ones, right?
Yeah.
Disrespected right away. This bullish one immediately
Mhm.
disrespected. Okay. Uh, yeah, I took the same short right there, but that was how I market profiled it. When I took this short.
I see.
Yeah, we were breaking lows, rejecting highs, respecting bullish PD rays. Right now,
Fuck.
but say
Yeah.
we displace above here, right, and then we retrace, then I can look for a long.
Mm. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't have that thought process at all, and that
It's
just
all good,
goes
bro.
back to how I'm like pattern trading again. That's what
Yeah,
I'm trying to avoid.
Nah. You good, man. You
you're
took a
gonna get
very
it, bro.
solid trade. All right.
Yep.
I want you to put everything we say on the notes and then review it while you're trading. All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. You can rewatch this one, and yeah, just keep it simple, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. That framework. Yeah, that explained a lot. Thank
yeah,
you.
yeah. And then guess what? Look, I tried a short here, right? This was my key level I had.
Hmm.
After we disrespected it, I shorted here earlier, and I sat in it for a while. Took a like one con partial, came and stopped me BE. Now, remember we talked about over here earlier, right? The better entry is to wait for what?
Second.
The second tap, yeah, second of a
Yeah.
key level. Because everyone thinks the top's in. Everyone thinks the top's in. It's the best to actually turtle soup them, right? If you think
Mhm.
about it with some narrative. Yeah, that was good though, bro.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. You got any
Yeah, that
questions?
was. Nah, that's all the trades I took. Thank you.
Sure.
Sounds good. How many days are you so far on my challenge?
I
Two?
just third day. I just typed in challenge
Third?
already. Yeah.
Uh, you need to prepare yourself. That shit will be hard.
Bro, I know. I know. But
All right.
I'm not gonna
The
quit. I
more,
ain't quitting.
yes, sir. The more we get, the more we keep going, the less the less days you can trade, and the less hours you can trade. And
Yep.
then you gotta have a lot of work to do. But yeah, good job, man. Good job.
Thank you. Appreciate it. All right. I'll see you guys later.
Got you, man. See you.
Thank you.
See you. Let's get the boy Cloxy in here. What up, man?
No.
Yep.
I'm
Oh, it's a girl. My bad. My bad. How you doing?
No, you're fine. I'm good.
How you doing? Yeah, we good. We good.
All right, let me close the chat.
What you took today?
Posted. I took YM.
All right. What? Yeah. We got a YM trader in here.
No, this is my first time. To be honest, the only reason I took it is because I saw a setup appear on it and I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna try to see what I get with this trade and I'm gonna journal it, either way, if it's a W or an L. But I
Mm-hmm.
entered at
What time was it?
33 on the 3-minute chart.
Wait, what was the time?
12:33.
Oh, 12. Oh, right here.
We need to review everything before we YM had its own thing today. Zoom out a little bit. Let's see what YM did today.
YM was stronger for sure.
Way stronger.
Holy.
Yeah, very bad along displacement of the high. Yeah, we use the highs. Yeah, use the highs again.
All right. What I want you to notice is, Cloxy is
Mhm.
this was decent, right? But I don't know if you know why. All right, why you didn't short? What's the candle that broke the high? Ani?
This one?
Not the high that you marked out. No, no, before that. Before that. Yeah, that high. Yeah. Why you didn't short at 10:30?
I wasn't looking at the chart at that time.
What if you were? Would you short it?
Yeah, probably.
All right. Why you don't short that? Can you answer that or not?
Um,
Now, stay on the 15. I don't even want to zoom out. Just see me there. All right. Try to take a guess.
at what time did you say?
That the candle that broke that. Yeah, that one.
Broke
10:30.
there. Well, I was bearish overall on the day.
Mhm.
But then after seeing like the push up, I didn't really know where we were gonna go. Um, but I would have tried that short just to collect data if it worked or not, and then
All right.
review the entire day after.
I want you to put a rule in your notes, in your phone, whatever, all right?
Mhm.
Which is gonna be if my if the time that I want to take a trade, I open my 15-minute or my hourly or whatever, and the candle opens low into my range high, I don't take it. And if it opens high into my range low, I don't take it.
Okay.
All right. This candle opened low, all right, digged into the order block, and then went off. Reversals come from open high into range high, or open low into range low. Can you draw it out, Ani, and explain it more?
Yeah, no, let me mark this out real quick.
Yeah, just like a drawing or something off chart.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Alright. Before taking any soups, I want you to have a checklist. Right? Where is the draw? Where are we heading right now? What's the market profile? All right. Are we trending? Are we ranging? All right. How did the hourly open? Are we inside the distribution candle or not? And the candle that I'm trying to total soup, did it open high or open low? All right. This is what I want you to notice. If the basic stuff tells that we open high, a bearish candle is going to be open high, low close, right? And you want to go short in a bearish candle, not a bullish candle, right?
Okay.
So open up your 15-minute and look the candle that takes the high, did it open high or open low? If it opens high, that's more valid. Obviously, it has context, right? But I want you to notice the open highs and open lows more, and don't pattern trade any high or low, and
What
pick specific highs and lows, all right?
what he's talking about is when the candle opens 15-minute, and it immediately starts speeding towards a key level. That's a good sign that it's probably going to use the key level to speed through the high. You know what I'm saying? Um, and
Luxy,
then
does that make
yeah,
sense?
yeah,
Yeah. I don't think. Are you guys talking about the trade that I actually took? Or are you guys going over
No, no, no,
something?
no. Before that, beforehand.
Okay, gotcha. No, I follow. I
yeah, you're
follow.
good. Yeah, we're gonna get back there. Yeah, he'll get there, bro.
All right. So after breaking that, all right, I want you to notice: did we? How can you know that we truly broke that range, or we're probably gonna come back lower? How did you know that, or did you just found the range and then to soup it?
To be honest, I was playing the 10 o'clock candle range, the
Mm-hmm.
hourly,
Yeah.
and I saw that the next hourly candle closed back inside.
Mm-hmm.
And then so the third candle is the candle that I tried to trade into the EQ of that parent candle.
All right.
And I see you just mark the body. So whenever you're setting out your high and low of the range, it's just the body, it's not the wicks.
You can do the wicks. There's different preferences with it, but the body you can. It's like where the most of the volume's at. So I use the body, but say you
Mhm,
did have the EQ right of the candle, it
mhm.
didn't get tapped. right?
Exactly.
But then
Right.
you might wonder, oh, why did it move up, or why did it go up, right? You know,
Hmm.
it's kind of because it actually might have did tap it. You know what I'm saying? So this is like from my own studying though that I use. You know what I mean?
Okay.
All right.
So that.
So now, why don't? Yeah. I got you.
Okay.
Now you get that we should open low into your range low, or we open high into your range high. All right, as a requirement for your total soup. All right,
Okay.
and then I don't know what your model is. I know you trade soups, but if you focus on ranges, all right, ranges, and then total soup, and then range high, all right, from range low to range high, it's gonna be way better. All right, if you let ranges form, you don't even need narrative behind this. Right,
Okay.
this is what happened the last 2 days. If you let a random range form, most of the time we're gonna take one range and go to the opposite side. Right, all depend. Now all you need to figure out next is gonna be your entry. Your entry has to be with an open low candle. All right, if you want a long. This is something that you should require in your trading, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, I actually really like this trade.
Yeah.
If I was on YM, I would definitely would have took
Yeah,
this because
that ass,
what I
bro.
like to see at my highs is I like to see my PD rays created above the high, right? And then I like to see old highs be used as support, right? Or PD rays be used as support. This is a really good trade, Cloxy.
Can I show you a screenshot of how
Yeah,
it looks, just so
yeah,
you guys can see what I had marked out?
yeah. Oh wait, oh you shorted right here?
Yeah, I shorted it.
Oh, you shorted. I thought you longed
No,
here. Oh, Uzi, did you hear that? My bad, Cloxy. Yeah,
What?
yeah. I see you shorted. I thought you longed right here.
Where?
no.
You shorted
My
right here.
bad.
I shorted right after we had passed the breaker.
Oh,
On
right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, my bad. I thought you
Oh,
longed this to go higher.
No.
Yeah,
I took
yeah,
a
yeah.
L on this one.
Oh, you took an L on
what you
this.
trade? Total soups or you trade the MSS market structure shift?
Yeah, well, on this one I was trading like the Model 1.
Mm-hmm.
So you had the turtle soup SMT, and I was looking for the breaker as confirmation instead of entering
Oh,
simulation candle.
all
Yeah,
right.
no, okay, this makes more sense real quick. Yeah, so we know this was a continuation to go higher. When I see PDAs created above old highs, I don't
Hmm.
look to short anymore unless we displace through this. What you want to look for if you really want to short this
Hmm.
and you want more confirmation is you want to actually see displacement through PD rays, right? Bullish PD rays. Uh, you know what I mean? High time frame, more high time frame.
Yeah,
Does
everything's
that make sense?
yep, a lot.
All right. If you got any further questions, just let us know, right?
All right, thank you, thank you.
All right. Yeah, we'll see you. Take
Bye.
care. All right. Let's get. I think Javin requested.
Yeah, half ticket.
Javin, you want to come
I
up?
do that. Yeah.
Anyone want to come up? Want to review the trades? Let's get the boy. No boy.
Yo, how y'all doing?
Yeah, how you doing, man?
Doing good, bro. So
Why you took, man?
I took a longs at beginning of the 1300. I'm not Billy 2.0. Chill. I took a long around 1300.
Yeah.
Uh,
Uh,
it's like I traded longs on the 5 minute. I think it was 1305. I know if 1305 looks like a bearish candle, but like when it flipped colors, that's when I long. Um, I used the 1 hour. Well, I used the 12 p.m. 1 hour candle range, and I noticed you know I noticed NQ swept it, and I saw there was a order block along with an hourly IFG, and I also dropped to the 15. I saw a BISI that also was there, so I longed. I did get stopped, and then the longs played out like around 13, 20, 30, so 1:30 Eastern.
mhm.
I was kind of, cause I'm pretty clueless about the the key times
Mhm.
because I spoke with Zephy about it. Oh, because like the only key time I know is like around like 9 a.m.
Okay.
Mhm.
I saw so I waited for the 13 candle on the 5 minute to close, and I noticed that it respected the 5 minute BISI heavily. So I was like, okay, probably gonna go up. So I let 1305 candle go down a bit, and as soon as it went to green, that's where I longed. But I was kind of confused to why it went lower and then went higher after that.
Well, I'll tell you one thing that I do is I
Mhm.
like to trade at certain times of the day, right?
Right.
Because if I choose to trade at any time of the day, I probably won't get the best moves. But
Uh huh.
there is definitely times of the day where moves are more likely to happen, right?
Okay.
Same thing as every day 9:30, right? Uh,
Right.
another time I look for is I like to trade from 1 o'clock,
Uh huh.
and I like to look for a trade from 1 o'clock to 1:30,
Okay.
right? Another time I like to look for is from 3 to 4, right? The last hour.
Okay. What
Uh,
about AM session?
AM, usually the AM will continue a trend. If it reverses at 11,
Uh huh.
then it's alright if I miss the move. I can get a continuation. Sometimes I'm
Okay.
looking at the charts at 12, but usually during lunch I would skip it. Same
Mhm.
thing as what happened yesterday. Look what happened at 1:30, right?
Okay.
One shift and change and shift.
All
Yeah.
right. Mr. Billy, why you think your first long did not work out?
Um. When I look back,
Mhm.
it did look like it wanted to go lower because like we went up, we respected hard time frame PDA range drop lower.
Mhm.
Um, and then after that, when I saw 1330, it started going higher. It felt like it was like a specific time where it went up,
All right.
but but then again, like I was kind of confused to why it went down lower and then went higher. So.
All right. So first of all,
Mm-hmm.
go to the hourly only. And for everyone who got chopped up until 1 p.m. All right. Hold up a bit. All right. So for anyone who got chopped up until p.m., what's the range that we dealing with? The whole p.m. that we dealt with the whole p.m. What's the range? What's the candle that we had to deal with this whole? What's the where do we reverse after taking what? Which candle? 10 a.m. candle, right?
Yeah.
So mark out, put the red shaded area on the below the 10 a.m. candle only. Now, like a box below, yeah. You see the wick of the 1 a.m.? No. Wick below that. Yeah, like that. And then zoom into the 1 minute. And let's see where you could enter. Like that, yeah. So now I got my key level, old lows has been taken, right?
Yep.
And then the first drop is what? News drop. So
Oh,
if
news
anything,
drop.
yeah. So
Oh, what the?
if anything, that will be a perfect entry because news
Okay.
sweep is high probable. Now, second
Right.
thing, mark out OTE on it.
I didn't know there was news. Yeah.
Mark out from the low, 930 low. Mark out from important low to reversal point. Yeah, like that. You see that? That's OTE right there. Tap into OTE, and then we put in a news low right below it, right above it.
Mm-hmm.
So now, say you take the news low or the news candle, all right? Now zoom in, only zoom in. Why do I always preach about lows that took out the highs and highs that took out the lows? Right when we drop, all right, and then we have a big pump, and then we wick above the high that took out the low.
Right.
What's the last high? Can you mark that out? Only about like 1251 or something. No. Down. The last low that took out the last high that took out the low. Sorry.
The last high, this one.
Like no, on the left. They got this one's soup to low. This one's soup to high, right? No, not that one. The one below. On the right, on the right.
You're saying a high that took a low or a low that took a
Yeah, yeah. The high
Yeah,
that took the
high.
low.
Yeah, this high.
No, before. Say you take the news candle.
Oh,
Yeah,
this
that one.
yeah, this
Yeah,
little
yeah,
swing high.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay.
All right. So now, once you enter, say you don't recognize all of this, and you enter a news candle, right? And your fill is all the way down, and then we don't displace through that high. What does that tell you? Again, same as mock. What does that tell you, Lambo, Billy? We're probably gonna come back one more time, right? So you put your stop
Yeah.
at BE, and then it's gonna stop you out, and then you enter at OTE. All right. So now we got
Okay.
the price, we got the range. Now we need time. All right.
Okay.
What's the key time? We have AM 9:30. What's the 9:30 for PM? 1:30, right? So we got 9:30 for AM, and then we got 9:30 for AM. Then we got 1:30 for PM, right? That's your key
Mhm.
time.
Okay.
Now what we got the first 15 minute of the hour.
Yeah.
Alright. Plays out. You let it play out. Second 15 minute does what?
Takes out a
Digs,
takes
digs
out a
into
low.
the low.
Yep.
Yeah, manipulation.
Mhm.
Alright. And then my key time is what? I still don't take it. I wait for my key time. 13:30. Alright, it's
Okay.
midpoint of what? Alright. I
And then
cannot
you got
say
the
bunch of things. Yeah, because
Mhm.
it's free midweek. We got midpoint of that candle does what, Alright.
Yeah.
So we got right at 13:30, what we do, we dig into the POC.
Yep.
Alright, you see it?
Mhm.
And that will be the zero drawdown entry.
Oh, and okay, and respected the POC. Okay.
Did it take at a key time? Your entry was not time based. It was
Right.
price based.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. You got any questions about this, or Ani? You got anything to add?
No, this comes back to entering at the first touch of a key level, right? It's
Mm.
where most soups go wrong, right? Entering at the
Mhm.
first tap of a key level
Mhm.
can most likely result in a second tap because everyone believes, and this is how it works. They fall for the bait, right?
Oh,
Same
okay.
thing that happens here. Fall for the bait, souped. Fall for the bait, souped, right? Now there's different ways that you can anticipate maybe like a single tap, right?
Yeah.
But most of the time you get tapped twice,
Okay.
and it's more safer to wait, especially when it's pre-made liquidity, right? At 1 o'clock,
Mhm.
it was put there,
Okay.
pre-made liquidity, right?
Mhm.
Before key time, 1:30, right?
Okay.
Yep.
All right. You got any questions, Mr. Billy?
No, I'm good.
All right, man. Sounds good. Sounds good. All right. Take care, man.
You say thank you.
See it.
Yeah, man,
Let's get the boy Don in here.
but down, but down.
Hello.
What up, man?
What's
How you
up?
doing, man?
I'm chilling. And you guys?
Yeah, we're good,
Same.
man.
Nice. So I took that 1004 short, which I already said.
Yeah, this
And I guess I know why. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took that one. And then the second trade I took was along at 1237. So with
Yeah.
that one, the idea was the range, key level, hourly
w-
key level, 1 minute key level, speed into them off of the 1245 or 1230 open. That was
You
about
took
it.
what? What time was it, the entry?
1237
All right, zoom in.
long.
All
This
right,
5 minute candle.
All right. Don, whenever you take anything before range low or range high is taken, it's a 50-50 trade.
Yeah, it makes
Not even
sense.
60-40 or anything.
It was because of the 15-minute range, and I was like, yesterday at 10, we had just it missed the hourly range and just took the 15 and ran.
Yeah, this
So I
15 right
thought
here.
Yeah.
maybe the same thing was
Did you
gonna
parcel
happen.
at least?
Yeah, I actually, well, I fully TP'd because I was doing your challenge and I hit 20 ticks, and it was literally the perfect. It was the perfect TP.
20
So
points?
yeah, 20 points, 5 handles.
What does the challenge teaches you? You do not need to be right to make money, right?
Yeah, no,
Good shit.
definitely
Good
not.
shit. All right, nice. You see your mistake though.
Yeah, I see it, and especially with the double tap that you guys talked about,
You
makes
know,
a lot more sense.
I do see the. Did you anticipate the double tap?
Yeah,
Okay, good.
yeah.
Yeah, key level hit first.
But then on the NQ, I guess we wanted the double tap too, cause
Yeah, right here, double tap. You entered at the double tap, right? This one?
I took on ES.
Oh, on ES. Oh
Yeah,
shit. Okay, I see. Yeah. Did you use a 1 hour range?
I used the 15.
Oh, 15.
Yeah, I figured, I thought, I don't know, cause yesterday at 10 o'clock we just took the 15-minute range instead of the hourly and ran. So I kind of took it early, I guess, cause of that.
Yeah, I know we've had losses taken because we entered too early, not waiting for extremes to be taken. There's times when extremes won't be taken, right?
Yeah.
And there's times that we will get an entry like this SMT here. You see this 10 o'clock candle?
Mhm.
Where NQ takes it at a key time, 1 o'clock,
Yeah.
right? And we actually make a move. This happens, I think. Did it happen? Yeah, it happened to me and Uzi yesterday where we entered longs before this low right here.
Mhm.
Before this low is taken, we entered longs. Got stopped. Then we re-entered. There's times and when it's always better to wait for extremes. If you're gonna play a
Yeah,
candle, wait for the extreme.
I was thinking the same. Like I should just, yeah, just miss out on the opportunity if it just runs, and then just wait for an actual
Yeah.
extreme or an hourly range.
Yep. Because
Cause
we'll
it did
lose.
hit, but if I waited for the range and the double tap, it would have been way better.
Yep. And you even had it
For
like even
sure.
this like you can see double tap works all the time.
Yeah. No, I just
Right.
noticed that today too, or not
Yeah.
just, but today it did work a lot. Also, I thought this was a 4-hour classic buy candle too. That was another reason why I took it.
Oh, because of this candle close in. You expected this to open low and go up.
Well, not only, not really. I just, cause you know, like the classic, I guess, like model of the 4-hour buy candle.
Yeah, open low and then you buy.
Yeah, you get the, yeah, and then it comes back to the key level. That's also why, cause we kind of
Yeah.
came back down to that open of 10, and I figured we get that tap and then revisit the highs.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
So that's about it. But thank you guys.
Yes, sir.
All right. Take care, man.
See.
What's the challenge, Nick? It's just a challenge that I made for these guys in here. For the VIP. I can make one for members if you all want to.
Remember,
All
guys,
right.
it's always better. It's better to miss the move than to lose money trying to force the move.
Yes, sir. All right. Anyone want to come up and review their trades? Oh, that will be it. Printer, Cuddy,
Got
Deon,
like 28 members
Mona.
here, and we only have like less than 10. Yeah,
Are
we're
we
doing a
going to,
VIP
we going
breakdown.
to
It'll be
VIP?
a VIP breakdown. Yeah.
Yeah, if y'all want to. For the free members, are you done? Are you guys done? Anyone want to come up? Review anything?
Anybody else needs
For all free
have any
members?
questions? To be your time. Then trades or nothing from me. Okay.
All right. Yeah. All right. You got any questions, Nick? I guess not. So yeah. I think that'll be
Wait,
it for the free members.
got
Ollie.
a couple more
All right,
type in
bet.
here. Not really, to be honest, for now. Okay.
Not really, to be honest with now. All right, man. All good. All good. All good.
You guys don't have any more questions? we're gonna move to the
Oh, yeah.
VIP breakdown.
Yeah, no problem, man.
And then for the VIP, we'll see you guys tomorrow for the tape read Thursday.
All right.
See what our top
That will be it
process
for
yeah.
for the free members. Thank you guys for coming for our review. We'll catch you guys on the next week, on the next free week.
All right.
Yeah, see you.
See you guys.